In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through your presentation slides using Grid View efficiently. Understanding how to manage and organize your slides is key to creating a clear, logical presentation, and I'm here to guide you through this simple yet powerful feature. First off, we need to access the Grid View. To do this, you'll head over to the View menu in your presentation software. Once you're there, select Grid View. This feature is incredibly useful because it presents all of your slides in a grid layout, giving you a bird's-eye view of your entire presentation. Imagine having a canvas where you can see all your artistic elements at once. That's exactly what you're going to do with your slides. This perspective helps you see the bigger picture of your presentation's flow and ensure that all your content is cohesive and well-ordered. By switching to Grid View, you gain the ability to organize your slides more intuitively. This layout not only allows you to see everything at once, but also makes it remarkably simple to reorder and group slides as needed. You might find that certain slides need to be moved around to enhance the logical flow of your content. Or perhaps you want to group slides by topic or theme. Whatever your goal, Grid View facilitates easy drag and drop rearrangement, giving you full control over the structure of your presentation. In addition to organizing your slides, the bottom left toggle button makes it easy to switch between different views. This toggle button acts like your remote control for viewing modes. Look for a small grid icon in the lower left corner of your screen. Clicking this button will seamlessly transition you from Film Strip View, which displays slides sequentially, to the more comprehensive Grid View. This feature gives you the flexibility to move back and forth as you refine your presentation, making sure everything is just where it needs to be before you move on to perfecting the content. A useful tip while you're in Grid View is to pay attention to consistency. Check that each slide has a matching style and format, ensuring that fonts, colors, and layouts are harmonious throughout your presentation. This uniformity in design not only makes your presentation look professional, but also helps in delivering a clear message. And that's it for Grid View. By using this feature, you can streamline your workflow, make comprehensive edits, and ultimately create a more impactful presentation. It's a small tool with big benefits, helping you stay organized and delivering your message effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to put this feature to the test during your next presentation project.